शुरू कर रहे हैं। Now I will see question number 35. Year 2012. Here it is given 2, 1, minus 3, 4 and into x equals to 7, 6. You have to write the order of matrices. Write order of matrix X and find it. First you have to find its order and then you have to determine this matrix. So what is the order of this matrix?
2 cross
Now
2.
2 cross 2.
2 cross 2. Now order of this matrix is not known. Its order is not known. So what will you write? Dash cross dash you will write. It's clear? Then you see what is the order of resultant matrix. Result matrix.
2 cross 1.
2 cross 1. 2 cross 1. अब देख लो, तुमको ये मालूम है कि ये प्रोडक्ट तभी परमिसिबल होगा जब ये दोनों डिजिट्स यहाँ वाली क्या होती हैं, सेम होती हैं। तो मतलब यहाँ क्या होगा,
2.
क्या होगा, 2 होगा।
2.
It's clear? Then what will be the result matrix? Result matrix is this cross this. यहाँ क्या रहा, 2 क्रॉस 1, मतलब क्या होना चाहिए, 1 होना चाहिए। क्या होना चाहिए, 1। तभी तो 2 क्रॉस 1 की रिजल्ट मैट्रिक्स मिलेगी। दिस थिंग इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. So we will write now order of matrix X is 2 cross 1. It's clear? 2 cross 1. Have you seen? Now see here, you assume any 2 cross 1 matrix. हमने एक assume कर लिया, let X equals to A, B. It is clear? Now you write down here. This is A, B equals to 7, 6. क्या रूल है, R into C equals to R. रो को कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करके रो वाइज लिखते हैं। So see this into this. What will be 2 into A plus 1 into B. Then this into this. So minus 3 into A plus 4 into B. So what will be 2A plus 1B minus 3A plus 4B equals to 7, 7, 6. So on comparing corresponding elements, now we will compare corresponding elements. Corresponding elements. when you will compare, so you will get 2a plus 1b minus 3a plus 4b. इनको सॉल्व करो, इट्स क्लियर, एंड फाइंड आउट. So on solving, here you will solve, a comes out 2 and b comes out 3. So what will be x? It will be 2, 3. This will be the matrix X. Now this point is clear. Now you can see here. Here matrix B is of what order? 2 cross 2. Matrix C is also 2 cross 2. And here it is given AB equals to C. You have to determine the order of matrix C. So how will you determine? So since the order of matrix C is not known, so I have written dash cross dash. Order of B is 2 cross 2. Result matrix is C, which is also 2 cross 2. Now this product will be permissible only when ये दोनों digits क्या हो, same हो. तो 2 cross 2 हो गया. यहां पर कौन सी डिजिट आती है? एकदम लास्ट वाली, और स्टार्टिंग में सबसे पहले वाली. सो ये क्या आ जाएगा? 2 आ जाएगा. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इज 2 क्रॉस 2. So you have assumed and then like this. Now on comparing, corresponding elements, when you will compare, A equals to 17 minus 2a minus b equals to minus 1, and the other set is minus 4c plus 5d equals to 47, and 2c minus d equals to minus 13. So on solving, what will you get? On solving, you will get this. Here it was, instead of minus, there is plus sign. You can see here a into 2 plus b into minus 1. So it is 2a minus b, not minus 2a. So on solving, you will get these values. Therefore, what will be matrix A? You have to write A is how much? 2, B is 5, C is minus 3, and D is 7. This is the answer. Answer ये हो गया. आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now question number, you can see 32. Here it is given A equals to 2, 3, 1, 2. And this is given A square equals to x into A plus y into I. What is I? I is identity matrix, unit matrix. ये लिखा नहीं जाता है. I अगर आ रहा मतलब वो क्या है? आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. क्वेश्चन में कहीं नहीं मेंशन रहेगा. अगर कहीं I लिखा है या 0 लिखा है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स, एंड दिस मींस जीरो मैट्रिक्स, नल मैट्रिक्स, आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. और यहाँ पर ये आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स ऑर्डर 2 की होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि मैट्रिक्स ए ऑर्डर 2 की है, of order 2. Why we have taken order 2? Because matrix A is of order 2. तो ये क्या है तुम्हारी 1001 आए समझे। सो फर्स्ट यू फाइंड आउट ए स्क्वायर into a 2 3 1 2. When you will do so this into this 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, then this into this 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, then this into this 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1, this into this 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. This is 4 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 6 plus 6, 3 plus 4. When you will simplify, it will be 7, 12, 4, 7. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
तो इसको
Yes,
देख ले।
sir.
Now you find out this xa plus yi. Xa plus yi. So x, you substitute what is a. A is given 2, 3, 1, 2. yi. यहाँ हमको x और y फाइंड आउट करना 1 0 0 1. So when you will multiply x inside 2x 3x 1x 2x and this, so y into 1 y into 0 0 y into 0 0 y into 1 y. So this is 2x plus y, 3x plus 0, 1x plus 0 and 2x plus y. So it will be 2x plus y 1x, 3x 2x plus y. ये आ गया। अब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x a plus y I equals to a square, so you compare 3x 1x 2x plus y. It's clear. This is given equal to 7 12 4 7. On comparing corresponding elements, one x equals to 4, 3x equals to 12. Is clear? So from here you are getting x equals to 4, and when you will substitute here 2 into 4 plus y equals to 7. So y equals to -1. तो क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? Answer will be x equals to 4, y equals to -1. Here P is given, Q is given, and PQ is given equal to 0. 0 means it is the null matrix. 0 is null matrix of order 2. It's clear. And why we have taken order 2? Because these are of order 2. So you can take this. It's clear. Now PQ, you find out PQ. So PQ will be this into this. So 2 3 are 6 plus 6y. Then this row into this column, that is 2x plus 6 2 are 12. Then this into this, that is 3 3 are 9 plus 9y. And then 3x plus 18. Now on comparing, what will you get? So 6y equals to, so y equals to minus. It's clear? Then 2x plus 12 equals to 0. So 2x equals to minus 12. So x equals to minus 6. Minus 6. हो गया?
Yes, sir.
हो गया? चलो, तो अब इस चैप्टर में हम और कोई क्वेश्चन अभी नहीं बता रहे ना?
Yes, sir.